tool locally.
السلام عليكم. شغال يجي فيزي جدا.
إبرارة؟ إيه إبرارة؟ كانوا سيخ سنتي.
Assalamu alaikum friends. Today in this video lecture I am going to discuss about this RCC beam, which is called special or top beam. I will give you some information about its steel reinforcement details. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you that this is RCC beam which size is 18 by 12 inches, but there are some common errors. So the first error is they didn't provide any crank bar. You can see there isn't any crank bar, and crank bar should be provided at the top of beam to resist shear stresses. So there isn't any crank bar. Look at this, only there are two steel bars and crank bars are not provided here. You can see, look at this, and total steel bars are here 7 numbers, 2 at the top and 5 numbers at the bottom. Dia of the steel bar is 16 millimeter and stirrup dia is 6 millimeter and spacing is 6 inches. You can see, but there is one error, which is crank bar, and crank bar must be provided at the end of the support and top beam or in special beam. You can see there isn't any crank bar, so it's too much helpful for you. You can see 2 steel bars at the top and 5 steel bars at the bottom of this beam. If you want to design your beam, so you must be provide crank bars which length is L by 4. Look this, there isn't anyone, right? Stirrup spacing is 6 by 6 inches, right? Okay, so this is a short video to show you. You must be provide crank bar. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.